Everybody, and welcome to this brand new module inside of our course. In this module, we are going to be focusing towards implementing the UI elements and the business logic associated with our home page. Our home page is going to be a page which is going to show us this bottom tab bar. In this tab bar, we are going to have two options. We can either select a chat button, which is going to show us the chats page, and our chats page is going to show us all of the chats that we are part of. And if we click on the users button on our tab bar, then we can see the users page. So essentially our home page is going to be this wrapper, which is going to just give us this one UI element in which we can select which page we want to see, and it'll help us transition between those pages. And then all of the logic associated with actually showing the chats is going to be then inside of the chats page, and all of the logic associated with showing the users is going to be within the users page. So in essence, our home page is just going to be a class that wraps around our chats page and users page. So just show us the chats that we are a part of, as well as the users that are present inside of our application. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video, where we'll begin the process of actually adding the business logic as well as the UI elements to our chat page, or to our home page. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.